Welcome the our channel. Today we how to automate cross-channel marketing with Iterable detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate cross-channel marketing with Iterable, begin by logging into your Iterable account. Familiarize yourself with the Iterable dashboard to understand its layout and features. Next, identify your target audience for the cross-channel campaign. Utilize Iterable's segmentation tools to create specific audience segments. Now, navigate to the Workflows section to start building your automation. Click on the Create New Workflow button. Select a starting trigger for your workflow, such as user signup or a specific date. Add conditions to control when the automation will run, such as user behavior or profile attributes. In the workflow, include various channels like email, SMS, and push notifications. For each channel, create personalized content that resonates with your audience. Use Iterable's dynamic content capabilities to tailor messages based on user segments. Set up timing and delays for each message to optimize engagement. Incorporate A/B testing elements to refine your message. As you build, continuously review the performance metrics for each message. Make adjustments based on real-time insights to improve effectiveness. After finalizing your workflow, run it in a test mode to ensure everything works as expected. Once confirmed, activate the workflow for live deployment. Monitor the campaign closely using Iterable's reporting tools. Analyze key metrics to measure the success of your cross-channel marketing efforts. Use this data to iterate on your strategy for future campaigns. Stay updated on Iterable's features to continually enhance your automation processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.